Close your eyes. Breathe. We've been walking through fire, carrying weight on our souls. Broken dreams, tired hearts, searching for something to hold. The sky feels far away, but I can feel the light inside. Through the storm, through the pain, we don't have to hide. Hands up to the sky, feel the rhythm in your chest. Even in the darkest hour, faith will do the rest. Let's pray tonight. Under the stars, we'll be alright. Let's pray. Feel the flame, one heart, one voice, one name. Let's pray. Oh, let's pray, yeah. Let the rhythm wash the fear away. Oh mama, oh mama, spirit rising, we don't break. Oh mama, drums of heaven guide our way. Oh mama, oh spirit rising, we don't break. Oh mama, drums of heaven guide our way. No more running from the past, no more chains around our feet. Every tear becomes a river flowing to the beat.